Look, and put another bullet to my heart again. Once we stop, let's start again. Since we back, I treat you better now, so we won't part again. Hopefully you feel a certain way inside your heart again, to realign the things I didn't do when we was arguing. Or maybe I'm invisible. The things you've claimed you done may be forgivable, so luckily I'm just the only one that's been delusional. I hope I get away and you can find a man more suitable. Yeah. Look. And you know that you my love, you know I do adore you. Better than the ones that came here just before you. Everything you did, it made it seem so worth it. But it's things I may relay that you will misinterpret. Like think about the days we went when we wouldn't say shit. Or many things you hated but you never named it. The times that you got mad but it wasn't worth explaining. Do you treat me like your love or like your entertainment? I still hate I made it on your roster, cause it compliments your ego and replaced your posture. Maybe something happened among my own absence, cause when we talk about it now you only show a fraction. A book of lies that's trailed by your deception. I had read among the pages and then came a lesson to never trust the words of one you know that still supports you. But I'm blinded by the fact that I still do adore you. Yeah. Look. And put another bullet to my heart again. Once we stop, let's start again. Since we back, I treat you better now, so we won't part again. Hopefully you feel a certain way inside your heart again, to realign the things I didn't do when we was arguing. Or maybe I'm invisible. The things you claim you done may be forgivable, so luckily I'm just the only one that's been delusional. I hope I get away and you can find a man more suitable. And yeah. Look. Yeah.
All the girls.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli but she smelling like a rat. I'm in her panties tryna get out in her cry. Friends are my friends and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel but she's far from God. Said it don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars but something's lining up. Not my exes was bad but you find out. Oh no no no. Yeah yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the building. We throw 50 out of the ceiling. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She say her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your watch. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Said it don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex was bad but you find out. Oh yeah. Yeah yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the building. We throw throw 50,000 to the ceiling. Oh yeah. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah.
I'm holding y'all hands real tight when I say this because I don't feel like fighting. But please quit calling them little 1 week breaks celibacy. You're not celibate. You're not celibate. You're not celibate.
I wonder if I'm as essential, or is this only momentarily? Like hours of sleep, baby, I need you to need me. And if I left, would you be broken? Or would it make you feel indifferently? Like water you drink, baby, I need you to need
Rearrange my world the way you do. Rearrange my world the way you do. Rearrange my world the way you do. Can we walk until I know who I am? I live above a bar I've never been. I think about you more than I can spend. Apartments rising, but my rent is fixed. If you don't find somewhere you can move in, I'll trade all of your things for all my things. My mother called me in the early afternoon. Couldn't hear her yelling while I was watching you. I told her that I loved her the way I tell you. Can you rearrange my world the way you do? Can you rearrange my world the way you do? Can you rearrange my world the way you do? The people keep moving farther. Something's in the air, in light your hair changes colors. You can tell me what to wear, you know me well. It's almost like you love me, I can tell. I'm catching up to what you know. Don't go upstate before it snows. I won't tell you what burdens me. I'll wait until the end of week. How fall? What are you thinking alone? Where are you thinking to go? Is there room on the road? My mother called me in the early afternoon. Couldn't hear her yelling while I was watching you. I told her that I loved her the way I tell you. Can you rearrange my world the way you do? Can you rearrange my world the way you do? Can you rearrange my world the way you do?
Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they for too much whining, they for too much whining. I see they be, I see shy you they enter. Oh yeah, make you call a beat. Oh yeah, show yourself, do over sabi. Love is in the air, baby breathe in. I dey available, baby anytime you need me, I dey available. Compatible, two of us they compatible. Girl I be bad boy for girls say I dey mellow. Ah baby I dey fold, baby take it slow, baby go down low. Nobody has to know, yeah I know I play around, my man on this, you let you go. Baby, some money. You know say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they for too much whining, they for too much whining. I see they be, I see shy you they enter. Oh yeah, make you call a beat. Oh yeah, show yourself, do over sabi. Love is in the air, baby breathe in. The way you move this your body in a way, banana. Catch me up, got me hands up, bottom. Beautiful way, personality, shut up. Make I enter your life, make every city balance. As I get opportunity, why I no go mountain? Actually, I go ready, nothing come out in my hand for your matter. They see girls say bad, but you bad. I'm okay, your waist, put me for bellow, push it baby low. I this what the me know, baby, na me jaw. Your case, they above the law. After you, now you become uncle. Oh baby, show up, get other girl jealous, but you are Birkin, matching my AB color. Treat you like a mama, Bambi on a honey. But you're the one for me, oh. Baby, some money. You know say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they for too much whining, they for too much whining. I see they be, I see shy you they enter. Oh yeah, make you call a beat. Oh yeah, show yourself, do over sabi. Love is in the air, baby breathe in.
Yeah, I know it's, yeah, I know it's on your mind. Get with me, girl, I know you've been waiting for so long. I know it's killing you, babe. Anticipating for so long. I know it's killing you, babe. I can see it in your eyes. It ain't no surprise. Girl, I'm in your city, what you want? I'm in your city, you already know what it is when I come through. And I can't wait to do these things to you. And I know what you got in store for me, Miss Lady. So it's about that time that I see what it do. I'm tryna see what's up. I'm tryna see what's up. What's up with you? Scratch that talk, let's be about it. It's just me and you. And it's about that time that I see what it do. Just tryna see what's up. I'm tryna see what's up. What's up with you? I know it's been on your mind. Thoughts of me getting you right. It's a vibe you never felt before, girl. I'm tryna see what's up with you. Girl, I can't lie, no, it ain't no denying our chemistry. We get in the bed, and I'm gonna let it go to waste. Sitting low, you know I'm on the way. See them 3 dots and then I'm at your face. You already know what it is when I come through. And I can't wait to do these things to you. And I know what you got in store for me, Miss Lady. So it's about that time that I see what it is. I'm tryna, hold up. For no bullshit, you need a nigga to cool with. Someone that's worth all your time, who can bring calm to the storm on your mind. Know that you used to duplicious intentions and jaded decisions, but that just put you in position to transition right into me. You used to love on the leash, tug and release. I put your love on the leash, tend to your mind and your soul and your body, then rinse and repeat. Cater your needs, put it together, girl. I do whatever to never remind you how you felt before, girl. I'm tryna see what's up with you. And I just wanna see what's up with you. Asleep in the tub, I was fed with paralysis. My foot hit the faucet, water started flowing in. Couldn't scream for help, I just slowly felt the pressure hit. Moving one toe was the only form of motion left. Can't breathe for air, can't breathe. Trying to remember everything that my preacher said. Trying to right my wrongs, my regrets, filling up my head. All the times I dodged it, this can't be the way it ends, no. Figure in the corner, I can't quite see. I just know the shadow staring at me. It gets closer, it gets closer, it gets closer now. Figure in the corner, laughing at me. Water fill my chief of sin, washing my soul within. I've been baptized in fear, my dear. Like Paul, I'm the chief of sin, washing my soul within. Oh, figure in the corner I can't quite see. I just know the shadow staring at me. It gets closer, it gets closer, it gets closer now. Figure in the corner laughing at me. Water fill my lungs, vision blurry. Heartbeat slower, heartbeat slower, heartbeat slower. Voices will tell me that I should carry on. Voices will tell me that I should carry on. Voices will tell me that I should carry on. Voices will tell me that I should carry on. Voices will tell me that I should carry on. Voices will tell me that I should carry on.
I need to let you go. I'm hard to get older. I'll say one thing. My requiem of a dream. So whatever, bitch. You got me Bushwick. Cropping t-shirt, show a midriff. Got black lipstick, eyebrow bleaching, pussy leaking, boo making, stole my memes and bump my music. I hope you're happy.
I hope you're happy. Got you a mini me. Bet she meets your mom. Bet you'll get a dog and name it after me. Hey, Boogie.
In an alternate reality, I was a true thing, not your new thing. My requiem of a dream. My requiem of a dream. Oh God, I got me a real snotty nose from fucking with these real snotty hoes, and I've accepted that's how life goes. One moment you're on top and the next you're stepping in the dog shit in your brand new phase hoes. Fuck it, yeah, I'm a wreck up on my dreams. Yeah, I'm a wreck, oh Pookie.
I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. Got you a mini me. Bet she meets your mom. Bet you'll get a dog and name it after me. Hey, Boogie.
In an alternate reality, I was a true thing, not your new thing. My requiem of a dream. My requiem of a dream. Oh,
Ain't wanna let you go, but I had to let you know that I ain't just the type to go for anything. I shut it down by any means. What does love really mean? I just ever sending up for what? It's a sickness, it's a disease. Ought to let you try and come and play me by a fake mini-me. Oh, I hope you're happy. Even though you wish you had me. Yeah. Please tell me that it is not safe. Stuck on my face, might end you in a race. She won't be happy. No, she can't be happy. No, she can never be. Finest wine, sweet like honeybees. Let 'em make it nail down and kiss my feet. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. Got you a mini me. Bet she meets your mom. Bet you'll get a dog and name it after me. Hey, Boogie.
in an alternate reality, I was a true thing, not your new thing. My requiem of a dream. My requiem of a dream. Oh God.
She's excited. Skin tight dress, take your guess, I'm finna swipe it. Change your plans, call your girls and tell them you ain't gonna make it tonight. Shit. Know the club's meant to see you, but we got our own. Cut the lights, turn the bass up, we gon' hit some notes. Fuck the bed, we don't need it, sure as hell gon' break it tonight. Need you on your worst behavior. Need you on your worst behavior. Girl, I want you to treat me like there ain't no one left on this fucking earth. Talk your shit and rough me up, no bust open this shit. She said slap me out, oh slap me out, oh put your ass to work. Put your ass to work, I'm sure gon' put your ass to work. Treat me like there ain't no one left on this fucking earth. Talk your shit and rough me up, no bust open this shit. She said slap me out, oh slap me out, oh put your ass to work. Put your ass to work, I'm sure gon' put your ass to work.
Keep driving, one hand on the wheel and one inside it. Speeding to your crib to get me riding. Know who you been fucking, ain't exciting. And I knew that you would get it right. Had me calling every night, never getting off my mind. I'ma turn it to a slip and slide. I'll make sure you're satisfied. Beat the record every night. Cause you do me so good, thinking to keep it in it. Say my shit tastes so good, you tryna sleep in it. Girl, when you giving me head, don't know what they call it, where you from, but it ain't this way. You need me on your worst behavior.
Put your ass to work, I'm sure gon' put your ass to work. Treat me like there ain't no one left on this fucking earth. Talk your shit and rough me up, go bust open the shirt. She said slap me out, oh slap me out, oh put your ass to work. Put your ass to work, I'm sure gon' put your ass to work.
Are you even real? Or did I make you up? How can someone like you wanna give me love? Don't think I deserve it, but I can get enough. You're so beautiful, spiritual, more like a miracle. Part of me said that you might be invisible. Too good to be true. Tell me, are you made up in my head, or are you in my bedroom? Questions that I asked ever since I met you. Tell me, are you something from a dream or something that I made up? Questions that I ask every time I wake up.
You never do too much. Somehow you still enough for me. I can feel the rush, even when you slow dance for me. Looking at you laying right there. Are you from this world? I swear you're beautiful, spiritual. I just want you to know. Is it I pretend it's something I'm in real? I don't know what to think. And if it's all a dream, I don't wanna wake up. Are you
Are you in my bedroom? In my bedroom. Questions that I ask ever since I met you. Tell me, are you? Something from a dream or something that I made up? Questions that I ask every time I wake up. Are you?